Hey kids, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. See, in skill book on page number 25, write down the date first. It is 27th April 21. And now what is it? A for apple. So yesterday we have written A in our English book, right? Now today we will trace it in skill book. So you know how to trace and from where to start, right? From this red line to second blue line, one slanting line, then another slanting line and one sloping line. So trace capital letter A in this way and please complete these two pages. Now see on page number 83, again write down the date please and then trace and write the letter A. This is small letter A. We already have done in our English textbook, right? See, in this way, this is to practice little more. So please complete these two pages again. Okay kids, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Now see, in book number 1 on page number 46. We will write the date first. It is 27th April 21, right? Now, my body. Say the names of the body parts. Do you know the names of the body parts? See, we will start from up. It's hair, then head, then eye, nose, ear, cheek, tongue, teeth, mouth, neck, chest, shoulder, arm, hand, thumb, stomach, fingers. Now, leg, toes, knee, foot. Okay, so these are the body parts. Now, see on the next page, match the things to the body parts on which we wear them. So we have few things on this side and we have few body parts on this side. So where can we wear all these things? What is it? Cap. So we can put this cap on ear. No, on head. So we will match it with this. Now what's it? Sunglasses. Sunglasses we wear on eyes. So match it. Wrist watch we wear on our wrist. So match it. Now earring we wear in ear. Right? So please kids complete this page in this way and now please turn the page. Listen to the question, color the happy face for the correct answer and the sad face for the incorrect answer. Now see, is this Rohan's nose? Is this Rohan's nose? No, it's wrong. So we will color the sad face for incorrect answer. Now see, is this Nida's cheek? Yes, so we will color this happy face. Okay, so color this. Is this Shiva's neck? No, wrong. So again we will color the sad face. Is this Riya's foot? Yes, so we will color the happy face. Is this David's leg? No, wrong. So again we will color the sad face. Is this Lima's eye? Yes, so we will color the happy face. So please kids, color these faces neatly and nicely. Now it's your work to do. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Have a nice day and take care.